Okay everyone, welcome to part 2. Now for this video we're going to be doing things like we're going to be adding decals to the sides, the decal that goes onto the windscreen as well, and we've also got things to do like the rear wing, windscreen wing. We've also got headlights that are getting dismantled, painted up, fixed up and put halos in them as well. And we've also got a stereo installed and just some extra wrap that I had that I used on all the trim pieces on the inside. Alright, so let's get into part 2 of the BMW build. G'day everyone, now we're going to be doing the window, being one of those things, beamer things. So we've already started on getting a lot of everything off. We're still going to get the lining off, we need to get the airbag out, but first of course always make sure that you disconnect the battery, otherwise you could have an explosion on your hands. Okay, let's get to it. Window. What we've got left to do now is things like, as you see on the side of the car here, our decals on either side. I've also got a windscreen one that I want to get done. Obviously the roof's got to get done, and the headlights have also got to get done so that we can have them really look nice too. So today we're doing the side skirt. Oh, not side skirt, but yeah, side decals. Alright, cool. So we have one side decaled, not my best work, camera's on a bit of an angle, sorry people. So here we are. So it's not too bad, it's not my best work, but I just want to get this done. Cool, now it's on to the other side.
It's a bit wavy down on the back bits. Overall, not too bad. No real bubbles or anything like that. It's getting there. Okay, now we're going to be moving on to the windscreen decal. Kind of got to be cut to size sort of thing, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Yay! Last decal is on for the moment. Yeah. So I probably could have gone a little bit lower with it in the center, but it is what it is. Okay. Okay, everyone, now we're up to getting the roof done. We've got to get this painted black and get it nice and gloss again. We've also got to put the clear coat over the wing, and then we've got other parts that are going to go on as well to finish it all off. A rear wing to go onto the windscreen, and we've also got these trim pieces that go off with the roof. We've also got the wing the shark fin to get painted, as well as our little frame strips that go around the doors. We want to make them gloss black as well. Right, so roof is done. Now we've just got to get on to the other pieces that we've got to paint, and we've also got a clear coat on everything as well. All right. Everything's painted. Now we've got to get up to clear coat now. Pressure of breeze. Alright, now for clear coating. This time I get to at least use my gun, so I don't have to worry about spray cans.
that's that time to flash up now, so we're going through normal focus. Bad now, but got to refill the paint gun. Everything's coming up pretty good. We've got the windscreen wing, the shark fin antenna, which now has a bug being a permanent resident of it. Got the trim pieces that go up and over the doors and on the windows. And we've also had the roof trim bits as well. Alright, so yeah, now I've got to fill out the paint gun again and get cracking onto the next coat while this one flashes off. Alright. So not everything has gone to plan. I mean, it never really does with me anyway, but being outdoors and yeah, had some stuff land and things, so could have sanded it more obviously to make it more flat, but just wanted to sort of just get it done. We had the plastic come up and land inside the bloody clear on the wing. Oops, there we go. Sorry, probably stand to the side of it. So yeah, it's the wing. Roof, and also other parts, and of course we have things landing that too. The antenna. Overall they come up pretty good. Alright, so we're going to let all this stuff sort of dry, set, cure, all that jazz. But yeah, so next is we'll be fitting this all up, and tomorrow, depending on the weather, we'll also get a new stereo put into the car as well, but I've got to take a lot of the stuff out of the car to fit it, because I've got to put a harness that goes from the front to the back, put some aftermarket radio. Alright guys, ciao! Alright, g'day everyone. Okay, today I'm introducing you to Paul. It's a great mate of mine, known him for over 30 years. This is Paul.
G'day, how you going? I've got a BMW myself, and we're going to be looking into doing some work together, and
Yeah.
I'm going to work out a few things that I can do to improve the car I've got and learn some stuff off that one.
Yeah. Well, today what we're doing is we're doing a stereo install, so we've got to take out the dash, we've got to get the seats out. It's a bit of a process. We've got to do that so that we can fit the GPS sensor as well as the harness that goes from the dash to the boot. And yeah, so we'll get onto that, and wish us luck.
the job that we're doing now is we are doing the headlights. So what we want to do is get everything out, get the indicators out, get the headlights out. Or to get the headlights out, we're going to get these trim pieces out as well. And then same with the other side, and we'll get these things painted up and see if we can get these angel eyes fitted as well. Alright, awesome, let's go. Okay, we have the headlights there. Now, as an avid eye viewer might realise, there's no engine cover. I'm going to be painting them as well. So, yeah, okay, cool. Now we're going to move on to doing the separating the headlights. Now for the next part, we've got to, I've already put down some plastic primer onto these, and now we just got to give them a nice lick of black using a heat paint, just because of the heat of the bulbs and everything. I don't want it to get all stuffed up. Okay, here we go. Now we have the insides of the headlights that have been painted. from alloy to black, just so that we can have them sort of, look a bit more sportyish. And then we have the headlights, wiring, angelizing, halos, whatever. And the other one, the sun is sitting inside it. There we go. So next will be just letting those pieces dry, and then we can put it all together and then put it back in the car. Awesome. Okay, so they're not plugged in or anything yet, but that's them put back together. They're a lot better than what they did before. New lenses, new halos, all good. Alright, so let's have a look and see what they look like. Bright. Looks all good. Okay, now what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be getting these all painted. So we're going to be doing a nice blue where all the silver is, and the black will be redone as black. And alright, so yeah, let's get everything going. Get it all sanded and ready to go. So those will be getting taped off, masked off, all the lines, as well as the lettering and lines on here as well. And then when those are all masked up, then it will be getting coated in black. Cool. Alright, that'll match up with the rest of the stuff in the engine bay. Awesome. Alright, so now we've got these things mostly painted, so we've just got to do clear over these now. I think they come up pretty good. I think they look pretty nice. I think it will match up with things in the engine bay. Alright, let's get cracking. So it's not the best clear coat in the world. It's pretty cheap, but you know, being on a pension means you can't afford the best of stuff. So you just make do with what you can to make it look as best you can. I will be going back to using paint guns when I can, but this is just how it's done at the moment. Cool. Hey everyone, right now we've come to the end for the part 1, part 2 for the BMW build stuff. I'm going to be doing other projects, but we've got everything done for the moment. So yeah, I guess I'll take you around the car, show you what's been done, and yeah, there we go. So yeah, so we've got angel eyes in there now, halos, whichever way you just want to call it. And as you see, all down there has been painted. So before it was all alloy, and we've got the other one there too. The windscreen. What else we got? We've got a lot of stuff done actually. We've got the side decals. Also got the rear wing and the shark fin on. Also got my little sticker right there on the side. And of course the roof. Now there's other stuff that we've been doing too. So on the inside here, all the trims have been redone and wrapped. So I just wanted to match it all. We've also done the radio, so we've got a new stereo in there now. Let's turn that down. So everything all works, all looks good.
There's our little dash cam.
Right. So I hope everyone likes what we've done so far. There will be more stuff to be done down the track. The engine covers will be getting fixed up and put back in soon. We've had some rain hit them, unfortunately. I don't have everywhere to do stuff. And yeah. Like, subscribe, share, all that jazz. Alright, see you folks.